Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a brake bulb on 2008 Honda Ridgeline. It is the same procedure for Honda Ridgelines from 2006 to 2014. So to do this job you will need a wrench with 10mm socket to unscrew the two bolts. Once when you have those two bolts out, you want to just pry on the tail light lightly from the both sides. Just like that. Your brake bulb, it's on the very bottom, so you can just twist this plastic piece counterclockwise and you can pull it out. Once you have it out, just take the bulb out and replace it with a new one. I hope this video will save you some time and money. Thanks for watching.